sauce on my eggs. And some patis nước mắm fish sauce on one of them. And then the other one plain. Price. To me, I grew up, it was just, I ate a lot of eggs. Okay. So I have my rice here. Just so I can eat with rice to enjoy that yolk. Eggs essential. Thum Kapoon. Spicy vermicelli noodle. Whoa. Look at that. I'm gonna take a bite. Made it very spicy. My mouth is drooling. Look at that. Look at that juice hanging onto it. So flavorful. I made it extra tangy for lime. Juicy from the tomato. Umami. Fish sauce, MSG. Shrimp paste beet. Mambruk. The palm sugar makes it so silky. Wow, look at that. Look at that pepper. It's hanging onto noodles. See that juice is just dripping. This is a good replacement when you can't get papaya. Use vermicelli noodle or the Bumbleway vermicelli noodle. You put a little bit of the sauce right here. You create a perfect bite. And crab paste is so good. Tomato. Pork rinds is a chicharrona. I like to eat the pork rinds. Like our chip and salsa. So what you do, you take one of these and you just dip in here. Okay guys, it's my Thum Kapoon. So if you have papaya or som tam in the Thai restaurant, Lao restaurant, it's the same thing but with vermicelli noodle. So it's like nước chấm with bung vermicelli noodle with the bung ball way noodles, and it's garlicky, it's umami, and it has mambruk, which is the shrimp paste, kapi. This to try, is so good. It's a game changer. In Laos it's called Thum Kapoon, Thai is called Thum Sua. Cabbage. I got this chicken drumsticks. Good combo. I'm gonna have some of that rice. Let's say 80%. I like it a little bit yolky. The rice. Thum Kapoon sauce. The eggs is yolky. And the rice is just so good. It goes so well. A collision of flavor. Easy. Easy meal. But yet so delicious. With this, it's getting spicy guys. Nước chấm with vermicelli noodle. It's getting spicy guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys next time.
Then you got me sinking low. 사랑이란 단어로 섬도 아닌 섬을 타며 행복한 줄로 친구들이 다들 바보래. 사랑 표현 못한 벙어리 한 번도 안 해봐서 어떡해 honestly. Cause 1, 2, 3 중요한